For number 7, it says a car is driving at a constant velocity of 60 miles per hour. A perspective has been chosen so that directed distance is increasing. Since velocity is constant, we know that directed distance is a linear function. What is the slope of that linear function? So this is kind of almost like a trick question, because the slope is really the rate of change. So because it's the rate of change, and the rate of change is 60, so the rate of change is the velocity, it's really just going to be 60. So almost a trick question. We don't have to do any math. It's just we know our slope is going to be 60.